Annyeonghaseyo. Okay, good morning. So I'm here to deliver for the 4-person. Teacher Loida, Teacher Merlinda, Mercy, and lastly Brianna. You have 2 trays of eggs each and also 2 packs of chooks to go each. Okay. Ari lang na ako ibutang, sir. Since dili siya mapasan. Okay. And also, I'm here to deliver for Mercy and Brianna for being an honor student. Kirain tayo? Honor mo duha? Okay. So, this is a congratulatory money. 2,000 pesos each. For you and for Mercy. Congratulations ninyong duha. Okay. And that is all from Soyong Philnim. Okay, bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, I'm here to deliver for 5-person in this area. So, for Teacher Ninya and Teacher Jean, since she have work today. So, Teacher Jean, 2 chooks to go and 2 trays of eggs. And for Teacher Ninya also. And for Jida, 2 chooks to go and 2 tray eggs. And also for Samantha and Yashiri. Okay. And also, I'm here to deliver the congratulatory money for being an honor student. 3 of you. 2,000 pesos each.
Study hard, ha?
Okay. Yashiri, Samantha, and for Jade. Okay. And that is all from Soyong Philnim.
Soyong Philnim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Mary Grace.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Good morning. Naman, padung mo klase sa study room? Nga. Baha mo kayo ninyo, ha? Sige. Camping lang nga dili ka ma-slide. So I'm here to deliver 1 sack of rice for you. Okay, 25 kilos. And that is from Iho Jinin.
Ihujinim. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Desiree.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, good morning. Nakun sa karon day?
Drawing.
Drawing? What time inyong klase dito sa kuan study room?
Express.
3 p.m. So nag-drawing lang ka lang upay klase. So I'm here to deliver the 5 kilos of rice for you. Okay, para imuha na inday, ha. Okay, and that is from Maayong Buntag Nim.
Maayong buntag din. Annyeonghaseyo. Kamsahamnida.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo, Teacher Jen. So yung Philnim gave you 2 trays of eggs and 2 packs of chooks to go.
So yung Philnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Thank you so much, so yung Philnim. Bye-bye.
Mong money.
Wala mga toko anak. Duh, kabol siya. Kabol kadua pa. Balik. Di pagkon 5, di 5.
Di ambak.
5. 1. 1 ulit mga 5. Mga 5.
Sige.
1. Oh, 1 na po. Imol. Oh. 1. 2. May go down so. Animal. 5. 1. Ato ito ay makasala yung bata diyan. 1. Bigtig ka puti usa ka tiil. Bili may mo sa katiin. 1. 2. Limol ko ni ikabaw.
Amagitunim, annyeonghaseyo. Thank you for giving me 1,000 pesos to buy my school supplies. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Thank you, Amagitunim, for the school supplies of Keisha. Thank you for the 1,000 pesos. There's the school supplies. There. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo. Good afternoon. Amagitunim, thank you for my school supplies. Kamsahamnida.
And we have here notebook, construction paper, bond paper, correction tape, glue, spelling booklet, pencil, ball pen, scissors, and stapler. And this is the total amount of the school supply that we bought earlier.
Bye-bye. Kamsahamnida.
Brian, today is my birthday. Thank you, Mother, for your channel and sponsor.
Birthday, Brian. Happy birthday, Brian. Say wish ni mo, Brian.
I wish tapos sa pamilya.
Let's eat. Uy, kanta sa tabi. Happy birthday, Brian. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Brian. Kailan edad mo, Brian? 13
Years old.
taon na.
Mom,
8 na hera.
baby.
Kutsara, Brian. Hira, Albert.
Tara.
Kami, Brian. Taon na ba yan?